Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XLT in race red with black premium cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. This has a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and it also has a technology package which includes forward sensing and adaptive cruise control. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. There's power seats for the driver with lumbar. Lighting controls are located here, and the power mirrors are here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of your running board, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and we also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we'll just get in there. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center is a little cubby to put items, and you've got your touch screen, so we can go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And when you go into climate, you're going to see that you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, AC and rear defrost. You also have navigation, so your map will come up. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And you have your settings. You can just slide through on that one. I'm going to touch that. My finger's a little bit cold. There you go. And it's automatic updates, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. Your hazard lights are located there, volume and tuner. And there's your dual climate control. So you can touch on the screen or you can touch it here. Heated seats for both driver and passenger as well. Front and rear defrost, AC, and max AC. And you've got two 12 volts plus USBs down there, and a little bit of place to put items. And then you've got your hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, locking differential, tow haul, parking sensors, at the rear of the vehicle, and traction control. And then you've got your 4x4 that you can dial through. TM stands for train mode, and as we press through, it'll appear on your dash. So you've got normal, press again, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and back around again. There's an automatic select shifter, your emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders. You can unclip underneath your armrest, and down there lots of room to put items. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic colored running board, chrome door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below the Ford badge, and your backup sensors are on your bumper. You have 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open that up, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got a nice lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then you can just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, window vents, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, automatic high beams, fog lights, front sensors, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.